Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this lovely Cabstar F24 and the fault code is P20C1. So today I want to show you a little trick when diagnosing this sort of issue. So this fault code is related to these three pipes, which is, well, it's related to the AdBlue system. So the layout on these is A, B, C. So we're going to be testing this one. So we're going to start by checking the continuity first, and the continuity on this sensor here. So check your meter first. There we go, and then we're going to measure, and I'm guessing that we're going to have an open circuit. And we do have an open circuit. So one way that you can sort of manipulate the system is if you get a Deca box like this. Obviously we still have, and we can't erase the fault. I do know that this system works roughly with between 10 and 11 10 and 12 ohms. So we're going to select between 10 and 11 ohms on our Deca box, and then I'm back probing the actual harness connecting to this sensor, so the faulty one. And I do have my Deca box selected to 10 ohms. And if we go back here, so we're going to try to erase the fault. This way you can literally bypass, not bypass, but verify or confirm that all the wiring is good. And obviously it's a sensor. This way you can prove that it's a sensor issue, not a wiring issue. And there we go. If we go to AdBlue system, there's no faults there. We're gonna just read again, and as we can see, the Deca box is there, and obviously I'm not using the actual sensor, but I'm just applying the right, well, I'm kind of manipulating the system and applying the right ohms on the system, and we can this way verify that everything, all the wiring, the engine, the AdBlue ECU is okay. It just basically needs a new sensor, a new heater sensor.
And this is one of the ways that you can test the AdBlue heater pipes on the Cabstar. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.